Yeah, what's poppin' everyone? Case here. Today we're going to build a self ladders. Gonna add into my background right there. The drawers need to be gone, and I just got the box delivery today. Super excited. So just got my donuts, some coffee, and now I'm ready to build it. Also, let me show you around, just like a quick tour of my little studio. Let's do this. Alright, so from the entrance door right here, right there, this is my where I worked at, workplace. Was ice creams as well. To the left, so this is like a drawer for all the clothing stuff. On the top surface, I just use it to use as a decoration for my background. Can you see when I shoot? That's where I mount my camera. Right there. So this is gonna be the background. I kind of like this background so far, but I'm thinking that I'm gonna, cause these is all my, like camera stuff, office stuff. These need to be, I'm gonna put it to right there next to that drawer. So when these gone, I'm gonna move this dress all the way to the corner right there. So I got that corner's empty, and I already measure it. It should be big enough to fit in my ladder. So I'm definitely excited about that, and also I'm planning to kind of adding some. Oops, sorry about the light. So I'm planning to adding some, some item for like industrial styles. I really like that style, but I don't have to. Unfortunately, I don't have the time to build it at the beginning. But now, I got some time, so why not doing it to make the background look better? Like a quick show or a quick tour of my little studio. Let's just build a shelf ladder. Hi. Ooh. I forgot my unbox knife. Let me go get it. Alright, got it. This one is remind me when I was a little kid. I always that's the time that my mom, she bought in a new TV, and I used to film. Just like I asked my mom for this part, because I use it at the sword, when I was young, you're fighting, bing, 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 and when you're hitting, and all that foam is it's popping everywhere. Super fun. This is my childhood right here, guys, right here. Alright, so we have a park. So this is a menu. Vasagle. Don't know. I don't know how to pronounce this. LLS46 model. Don't worry, I will link this self ladders in the description. So if you are interested, check it out. Right? Well, the good thing about this, they labels all the parts, so you just have to follow it. You just look for it, and this is a manual. Hopefully it's gonna be easy in the store. Alright, so step 1 done. Now to this step 2. If you have this, you need this. It's gonna make your job faster instead of using this tiny little thing. Take the job forever. This is what you need, quicker. Now it's a part 3. Alright, 3 down, 2 to go. So far, installation is like easy. You just have to follow the guidelines like they provided. Super simple, guys. And those screw, it look like they're very high quality, not like, you know, those like screws that you just screws in and then the thread was just getting worn out. I was unscrews and screws back and forward, but I'm impressed with the quality so far. Alright, let's keep it going. Finally, I got my ladder shelf finished. Let me show you. Simple, but it look great. I like the material. I got kind of like a brownish texture, not texture, but like the painting. Really nice for industrial style. Look at that. Oh, awesome. Let me check with the phone. Yes, it's 107, so it takes about an hour and a half, maximum 2 hours to install this shelf. It's simple, guys. All you just follow the manuals, and I think you'll be able to like install it by yourself. It's nothing heavy. You can do it just like one man, easy. 2 things that I like during the installation, I make some like just mistakes, so I'm gonna share it with you guys. First, see those screws right there, right here, and here, and here, on the other side, and here, here, and there. So when you do the J part, so don't tie the screws, don't tie that screw too tight, because you have to put in the shelf in. If you tie it too much, you won't be able to put the shelf in the middle. Let me show you what I mean. Like if you tie this screw too tight, and that screws right here, like so tight, you won't be able to fit this in the middle, you know. And then in that case, you have to unscrew it and kind of like make sure you just like tight, like you just screw in enough space to put in all that shelves in the middle. And then when you install all that screws and then start to tie in those screws here and there and there. So those screws you tie at the end if the installation, okay? And one more thing. So you see this? It's very confused when I installed the shelf in, because I use, instead of this side or this facing, I'll do it like on the other side. So this end up in showing this, which is wrong. Okay, so make sure you follow the guide and just pay attention, especially the picture, the drawing. Follow it. Details, they very detailed. Alright, so let's just set the shelf up. Alright, so this is the shelf. I'm gonna leave it right there. It's a perfect spade. Very nice. That is like one more thing. You see the hole right there and there. It's used for like, there is a hook and you can just like screw your screws like into the wall to keep it like more steady. Sorry about the light. I don't want to do it because I like to move things around, you know, just try to make it like more interesting, you know. So I'm just gonna leave it like that. Plus I don't want to damage the wall. Easy as that. Yeah, that's it. That's it. I think pretty easy, guys. Pretty easy. Looking good too. Like, you got five shelf. So you can like put all your decoration in there. I'm gonna use this as my background. For that, it's gonna be a new background. So all my previous stuff that I decorate, put it in there, and I have more space to put more stuff there. Especially just like to make the background. Keep turning my back to that like. So those gonna be more stuff in decoration. It's gonna look good for my background, and I'm thinking maybe add some sort of like a RGB light. So when I live stream at night, it's gonna look awesome, right? Maybe let me just get off, fill that stuff with stuff, and then I will do a quick tour for you guys to see. Alright, well, thanks for watching, guys, and if you enjoyed the videos, give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button. You know, I enjoyed it. I enjoy creating contents video for you guys. It's so much fun. I'll leave the links in the descriptions. Alright, until next time. Okay, signing out. See ya. Achoo. No, like this.